Network Entertainment.
Spit Manila.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat and welcome to another episode of Tawalets with Spit. And sabihin ninyo, Tawalets with
Spit!
And today we are going to talk about our hobbies as adults with adult money.
Wow!
It's
pala yun.
very
Love it.
important na merong adult money. Parang I feel that it changes everything.
Oo, kasi feeling ko nung pagbata ka, yung lahat ng hobbies mo ay nakasalalay pa dun sa income ng inyong household.
Correct,
Oo.
correct. At saka kung may magsusundo ba sa'yo?
Totoo, totoo.
Kasi wala nagsusundo sa akin dati, magaling ako mag-swimming eh.
So, nagsiswimming ka pa uwi?
Hindi. I mean,
Pagbaha sa US.
correct ka dyan.
yung hobby niya. At saka, kung ano yung inclination ng parents mo.
That's true.
Right?
Influenced
Very
you.
Oo.
Yeah.
Because they know what's best for you eh.
And they will impose that.
Yes, kaya nag-piano lessons tayo, nag-swimming lessons tayo, nag-voice lessons tayo. Kaya nagkaroon ng Center for Pop Music sa Pilipinas.
Correct. So, historic. Totoo yun.
I'm just assuming.
Pero, halimbawa yan, di ba, Carl? Sinabi mo na pinag-lesson ka nung bata ka. Sino dito ang nag-piano lesson nung bata sila?
Sa school.
Sino yung nagpa-piano Sino yung nagagamit yung piano nila hanggang ngayon?
Si Carl.
Ano kasi, sorry. Very, very different kasi yung case ko. Musical director ako ng Spit, by the way, sa mga hindi nakakaalam.
Yes!
I've been playing the piano siguro I'm 34 years old, so I'm guessing around 24 years.
Wow.
Oo, nag-piano lessons ako though when I was around 5 years old. Dahil imposed siya ng parents ko sa akin. During that time, I hated it.
Okay.
Yes. So nag-lesson lang ako siguro ng mga 2 weekends tapos hindi na ako nagpiano until I was in my teenage years.
Hindi ka pa rin nag-lesson, no? You just did it on your own.
I didn't play the piano until I was 14.
Oh, wow.
Mga 14 or 13 years old.
Wait, then you took lessons again.
I was self-taught for around a year and then I took lessons.
I was also self-taught because there was I grew up in my lola's house and there was a piano and all my titas were required to learn. Take note, the titas, not the titos. I don't know if the titos were required to learn, but the titas were. And so there were stuff. And, you know, my brother, parang meron siyang inclination to music, but he didn't pursue it. So I was just looking and then my friend was galing in piano as an ingitera na productive. So I would open it, I would get the stuff and then kind of like try. And then maybe I had a piano teacher for 3 weeks. Pero dahil wala namang maghahatid sundo sa akin, at commute yon at like 9, 10, by yourself. Parang hindi ko na tinuloy. But I was just like,
Meron kang sasabihin about the piano?
Oo pero tatanong ko sana si Carl. Pero share ko na rin, I actually took piano lessons when I was in college. Pero same din, from school sa Faura, papuntang Hilpuyat. By then, parang uwi na lang ako. After class kasi siya. But anyway, hindi pa rin ako marunong magpiano. And can I share, Carl?
Oo.
I have your piano!
Oh yeah, ninakaw ni Kara yung piano.
Yung napakabigat na piano ni Carl.
Ninakaw niya
Congratulations.
in
Nasa akin na
exchange
yun.
for
So
sum
now,
of money.
So parang ako, shit, kailangan kong, ano ito kailangan ko tong, I have to honor.
hindi
I
mo
have
na
to honor
kailangan pumunta
Carl.
ng Hilpuya.
Oo Nasa bahay ko na siya. But anyway, ang tatanong ko is, what made you, and thank you so much, Missy, for sharing that. Wow. What made you start learning again?
Ako, personally. Sige, but yung tanong na lang natin, what made you start your hobby?
I love it.
Oo.
Kasi parang yung napansin ko rin sa mga answers nyo, hobby ba siya kapag inimpose sa'yo? Or
isa pa
inaaral mo
yun.
siya for something? Or kapag wala ka lang magawa? Yan.
Or acquired?
Oo.
True.
I think both varieties of hobbies.
Yes.
Should we define first
Transition.
what a hobby is? Do you
Oo
think?
nga, no?
Okay.
Yeah,
Parang
sige.
what do you think it
Di ba
is?
hobby yun yung asawa?
Yun.
Hindi.
It's what you do when you're bored.
Hobby, di ba yung nagko-connect ka ng mga tela?
Hindi. Hobby yun.
Okay.
Hobby. Di ba yun yung reception area ng mga building?
Hindi. Lobby yun.
Lobby? Di ba yun yung lips?
Hindi! Lobby yun!
Labi, di ba yun yung sa patay?
Hindi! Labi yun!
Ayan na. Ayun.
Okay.
O, define.
Okay,
Define hobby.
checklist. Improv game.
Improv game.
Check. Papu, okay na po yung improv game
Then
natin.
sabi nila scripted yung...
Oo.
sayang. Pero ang maganda kasi nag-group mind pa na.
Ano yung hobby? Ano yung
Definition. Definition of
One
terms.
definition
Hobby.
hobby? Sige.
You pick up because you enjoy doing it.
Yes. Ako personally, it's something you do for fun.
Ako din. Something you do but you don't have to. Same.
Napakaganda nun. Napakaganda nung you don't have to dahil...
That's also my answer.
Oh, talaga. Napakaganda ng sagot niyong tatlo.
I never doubted.
Something that you do that appeals to your multiple talents and interests in a way that is not necessarily not to mean that it's not encouraged by your environment.
Ang ganda. Actually, ang ganda ng sagot niyong lahat.
So I say encouraged by your environment kasi kunyari ako, mahilig ako mag-drawing ng anime. Manga, not anime. Manga, ganyan. Tapos, nung panahon namin, hindi pa naman siya sikat sa school. So weird yon. Bakit
Yes.
ganyan ka mag-drawing or ba? So, meron akong classmates na despite the discouragement or the non-understanding of the form, pursued it kasi gusto nila.
Right.
So, not necessarily may support, pero sa families nila, nakakakuha sila ng mga manga nung hindi pa accessible sa Pilipinas yon. Ako, dahil wala naman support, di minsan na lang talaga paulit. Hindi ko na-develop yung hobby into a skill.
I see.
So, dahil na-mention nga natin yung mga ilang activities na ginagawa natin ng younger self, I'm curious with everyone else, ano yung sa tingin nyo, hobbies nyo, nung bata pa kayo?
Maglaro ng tagu-taguan.
Yun nga parang hindi ko tuloy ma-define yung hobby if you give it how much time, like if is it defined also by the time you give it, or
What if we use Angelica's definition na
you
you do
don't
it
need to do
Kapag
it?
need to do
just
it.
Kapag bored ka, nung bata ka, walang
Yun yung
magawa,
ginagawa
wala kang
mo.
kalaro.
So, hindi-
Or kahit may kalaro, anong ginagawa mo?
Hindi hobby
Pero
ang
hindi,
chores.
hindi siya hobby kasi play siya.
Hindi, pero-
Or kapag...
Pero di ba, I think, like, if we're gonna combine all our answers, don't you think hobby is basically kung ano talaga yung gusto mong gawin as a person? Like, deep down, kasi you have to, gusto mo siyang gawin kahit hindi mo kailangan. Parang yung kailangan, we're defined by, kailangan matuto ka magtrabaho kasi kailangan mo mag-ipon ng pera.
Kailangan yun.
Kailangan yun. You need money to live, right? Pero kung wala yun, gusto kong magpiano.
Okay.
Right? In essence, like, remove all the societal norms, remove the capitalist mentality. If hindi mo kailangang
Gawin.
hindi mo kailangang magtrabaho para sa pera.
Anong gagawin?
Ang
Meron
hobby,
akong answer.
2 seconds. Audience, please put down in the comments.
Yes.
Anong tanong? Your
Galing.
definition of hobby.
Oh.
And what are yours?
Meron akong answer tuloy
go.
yung ginagawa ng bata na ginagawa na hindi naman kailangan. Kapag araw ng patay, yung mga kandila, ilalagay yung mga melted, tapos gagawin mo.
Oh my
Alam
God,
mo,
yes.
naalala ko pa yun. Di ba nag-evolve yung candle na ang ganda sobra mag-burn?
Halos
so
wala
you
nang
cannot
tumutulo.
make the balls anymore. Masyado yung technology, no? Dahil ngayon, pag mag-burn ka nung candle, hindi mo na siya makuha. So, hindi mo na siya mabola. So, hindi ko yun maturo sa mga mas bata sa buhay ko.
Wala na kung electric yung candle.
Yun pa,
Switch na lang.
Pero
So
yun.
what would you do? Hobby. Ikaw, Bibay.
Na,
What would you do when you were a kid na hindi mo kailangan gawin pero ginagawa mo dahil tutuwa ka?
okay, nag-aagaw kasi yung utak ko sa, kumbaga yung halos, instinctive ko iniisip yung background ko sa child development. Kasi ang naisip ko on the get-go would be play. Pero play is essential. It is something that you need to develop to be a well-developed human being. So I cannot actually say based sa mga definitions that were given today, ano nga ba yung, meron bang legit hobby when we were kids? If we were expected and or instinctively we would play because that is part of human development. So parang, alin dun sa mga ginawa ko? Kaya ang hirap sagutin. Hirap sagutin
I
for
think,
me.
oo.
Because, feeling ko, lahat ng ginawa ko, hindi siya talaga, it's almost like they weren't by choice. It's either I was influenced or by my parents or the environment or it was a need or it was instinctive such as play. So hobby ba yung lahat ng ginawa or wala akong hobby at all?
Or what if, I think because of the current definition ng hobby sa ano natin ngayon sa society, na-minimize lahat eh. Parang hobby lang yan.
Ano mo sabihin? Ano mo sabihin?
Actually, I was gonna say, kasi for example, if a certain skill, kunyari, knitting. You started as hobby. And then ngayon ikaw, mas gusto mo nang intensify yung learning mo of knitting. So gusto mo na siya, is it still a hobby if gusto mo pa siyang i-pursue?
Or baliktad. You
hobby
took
mo na
up
siya, oo.
you took up knitting because it was required and
And then
naging
naging hobby.
Ako feeling ko naman, either which way, it works.
Diba?
Same
It
ako
works.
rin.
As
Yeah.
long
As
as,
you
parang, as
enjoy
long
it.
as it's, kasi you are influenced sa lahat ng opportunities or sa lahat ng things na in-offer sa'yo, ano dun yung na-draw ka?
Yeah.
Yung nag-stick.
Oo, yeah. So kasi ako, ang like development ng pagbabasa, 'di ba? But there were so many books at home na, you know, parang I'll just get and I'll just read, right? There were so many art materials at home, 'di ba?
Yeah.
At habang tinuturuan yung nanay ko yung ibang bata dahil trabaho niya 'yon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
'Di ba? I would get and then play by myself. So, you know, so all of these influences would lead you to. And that's okay even if it's skill building.
Yeah.
Dagdagan natin ng isa pang layer.
Oh no.
So what if nagkapera na involved? So for example, ni-require ka mag-knitting. Na-enjoy mo. So gusto mo i-intensify. So nag-lesson ka on your own. And you become so good at it and people ask you to make things for them and now you're making money off of it. Now is it something that you now need to do? Like you're improv.
But improv is not a hobby for me.
It's not a
It's a job.
Ako, skills building exercise.
Sagutin ko yung question ni Monica. Kasi since bata ako, I think hobby ko na mag-improv. I just didn't know what na improv siya. Kasi every parang night or something, kami ng ate ko gagawa, parang sabi, magballet tayo. Papasok lang kami sa rooms, magbaballet kami in front of the people. Or parang,
People ka agad.
or gagawa lang ako ng kwento on the spot. Kasi parang improv na. Kasi yung dad ko, pag pinapatulog niya kami, hindi siya nagbabasa ng bedtime stories. Nagtatanong siya, anong gusto niyang kwento? Superhero, ganyan. Tapos magkukwento siya. Tapos habang nagkukwento siya, ano nangyari next? Anong ano niya? Tapos tutuloy niya yung kwento.
Ginagawa ko rin sa anak ko yun.
Ginagawa ko rin yun sa sarili ko.
So I feel like, dahil doon, kaya ako naging ganito. So, yung improv before, parang hobby siya for me until it became a profession. But even now na I have to do it for work, kahit it's not work related, I would still do improv. Just because.
To that point, I had my favorite hobbies were sports and theater.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, football.
Diba? And up to now, I'm still very physically like physical activity is a big value for me. And theater, I monetize it. Diba?
Yeah.
And I don't have to do it, but I produce plays.
Right.
Right? If I'm not getting cast, edi kakast ko yung sarili ko. Gagastos ako. Pero I'm going to, make sure that that's a sustainable practice. It comes back to me. Right. My brother's a football player. He has his own league now. Parang he monetized the hobby that he got good at.
Ako, yung hobby ko yung primary hobby ko ay born out of something that I was not skilled. Okay, so gusto ko mag-drawing. Pero hindi ako marunong mag-drawing. So anong closest? Photography.
May props.
Hindi ko kailangan mag-drawing, guys!
Kaya ang dala.
Wala akong dalo.
May ano?
So dahil sobrang frustrated ko na hindi ako marunong mag-drawing at gusto ko meron akong visual output. Sabi ko, hindi mag-photography ako. So,
At dahil mayaman ka na, may sarili ka ng pera, pwede mo nang bilhin na sarili
Oo.
mong camera.
actually, yes. But when I started, I was siguro medyo late ako sa digital game. I owned around, at siguro yung, nag-umpisa talaga ako sa film. Hindi na uso yung film at that time. So, I
Hirap
had a camera.
mag-procure.
Ha?
Oo
Hirap
nga.
mag-procure
Mahal.
ng ano,
Mahirap at mahal. So, during that time, yung mga film companies, they would dispose of their expired film and they would sell for cheap. But itong recent years, sobrang mahal kahit expired. That I gave away around 20 cameras away.
Wow.
Because oo, pwede naman. Oo. And film, siguro mga around maybe 70 rolls of film na expired. Kasi hindi na siya realistic. To think na may pera naman ako, pero hindi siya sustainable. So, that's why I'm doing digital now. And para sa akin, hobby nga siya, hindi parang gastos ka ng gastos, tapos hindi naman ako professional. So,
Pero
okay, so,
nakita ko drawings mo, ang ganda kayo.
ngayon.
Okay, just to
Ngayon.
say, walang pinapanganak na marunong gumawa ng anything.
Yes, of
Correct,
course.
correct,
of course.
correct.
Kayo naman dyan. Ano mga
Marunong ka Hindi pala. Sorry, hindi pwede sabihin yun sasabihin ko. Eh.
Oh
Ay,
no.
ganun ba?
Tuloy.
Hindi, sinabi ng bata ka, hindi mo alam, wala kang alam gawin. Sasabihin ko, marunong kang pumupo. Pwede naman gumitin yun,
Pero,
diba?
tinuruan ka ng system at kung saan, at kung paano
Ano,
nga
training.
Paano mag-press ng puwet?
Let's go back to adult hobbies. Adult
Okay.
Pasintabi na po sa lahat ng mga kumakain ngayon. Oo. So may dadagdagan pa natin yung layer.
Dagdagan
Okay.
pa.
Dagdagan pa
Hindi ba
natin.
kayo nagsasabi ng mga
Ay,
adult hobbies
sige.
nyo?
Oh, hobbies. Mon, hobbies.
Kara, ikaw.
In-offer, ako, ito na nga, kasi yung question ko rin kanina, di ba? Kapag Western art mo yun, tapos gusto mo na siyang parang mas gumaling pa, is it still a hobby?
Feeling ko
Like your
hobby.
hip-hop
Oo.
dancing.
I'm just saying.
Oo. Ano na lang natin? Sige, ano natin? Gusto mo siyang gawin? Yun
Gusto-
na lang
yun na
muna.
lang.
Yeah,
Wala
yun na
na
lang.
lang.
Para hindi
Something
na
you want.
complicate.
Wala mo ng
Nang hindi
passion
ka
lang.
necessarily.
Sige, pag hindi ko kayo kasama, oo.
you want?
Sige. Ganun kasi, di ba? Outside the work. Pag hindi ko kasama ang spit, nasa dance studios ako. Because I took up dancing last year. And then, the reason why I took it up, kasi na-share ko na yata to, nagka-viral arthritis ako from a Japan trip na sobrang lamig. Anyone ko, nag-react yung body ko. So, na hindi ko magalaw everything. My joints hurt. Pag pick up ng utensils, hindi ko siya
joints,
maano.
my knees.
Anyway, so parang nagkaroon ako ng realization na I will never take movement for granted again. So, yun din yung time na mag-anniversary yung BTS. Anyway, so gusto kong gawin yung ginagawa ni J-Hope. So, nag-sign up ako for a BTS dance class. And then, nag-start na doon. Parang ako, wow, the things your body can do. Up until...
At na-influence mo kami.
diba? Yes!
Yes.
And kakausapin ko na kayo kasi nagbigay ng ating coach ng kanyang availability.
Ayun.
Anyway,
Shout out, Coach James.
Coach James. Coach James. So now, for the first year, parang ako, ginive ko yung sarili ko na, okay, you know what, let's just have fun. Kasi hindi naman ako dancer. And sinasabi ko pa sa sarili ko na, wala naman akong desire to pursue dancing or anything. I just want to do it for fun, like a hobby. Now, nag-stop ako nung Q4 last year.
Kasi
medyo
sobrang
naging busy tayo.
busy,
Sobrang busy nun. Now, nag-start ulit ako last week mag-dance. Para akong beginner ulit. Parang,
Parang hindi bike.
Parang,
Sorry,
oo.
do you ride a bike?
yes.
Okay,
Oo,
okay.
oo. Parang ako, hindi ako nagbabike lately, pero feeling ko kaya ko ulit magbike. Si dancing, parang nawala lahat, like yung coordination. Pero alam ko sa sarili ko, hindi na ako beginner. Ang point ko lang dito is now this year, wow, di ba? Parang by how much I talk about it, parang hobby po ba to? Or like, gusto ko na siyang,
Obsession.
parang gano'n.
yeah.
No, you know
Passion.
what? That is so true because I was journaling about this kanina. Sabi ko, I'm so, kinikilig ako. Parang, as in my words, I am hooked.
J-hooked.
J-hooked. I'm hooked. Parang
Trapped in hook.
gusto ko maintindihan. Kagabi, may sinabi yung coach namin, weight distribution. Weight distribution. So parang ako, baka nga obsessive, in a good way. Parang ako,
I think
gusto ko
passionate.
tong, gusto ko tong mahit.
Yes.
Okay.
So, is dancing is for me.
I love it.
What I do on my spare time is I play games on my iPad and feeling ko ang galing-galing kong pumili ng games.
Bumili.
Para-pareho lahat ng nilalaro mo eh.
Oy,
Luto-luto.
tignan mo!
Yung City.
I mean, may bago akong
Bago
game.
pusa,
Pusa.
nahuhulog sa box. Mamaya papakita ko kay Missy kasi
no.
nagkaroon kami ng game. So I showed Missy on one of our flights. Just as an example of the game I play kasi hindi naman ako serious player. Like, hindi ako nag-Xbox or whatever. So, yung game na nilalaro ko, tas pinakita ko kay Missy, mga criminals sila. And then, it's like they're different boxes and there's a person in each box and you have to deduce who is the criminal. So, kami ni Missy, halimbawa, there are no criminals on row 1. Ganyan, oo. Tapos,
logic.
logic. So, yun yung ginagawa namin sa
Gusto ko
aeroplano.
yan.
So, pag magkatabi kami, hindi kami nag-uusap. Nag-solve kami ng...
Nausap
Yun
mo
yung
ba
bonding namin ni Mon.
May row pa, may row
Nausap
ganyan.
mo sila?
It's may
Hindi.
chismis about them.
Oo,
I lovers,
kasi-
ito.
Oo, lovers.
Ganyan.
So our lovers with, the
Guy,
ano ba?
the redhead.
The redhead, ganyan. So, may intriga. So, syempre, bentang-benta sa amin. Example lang yun ng game. So, hindi siya, it's really, really a lot of stupid
A
games.
Clash of Clans.
Ay, hindi. Mahirap na yun.
Gossip.
Mahirap na yun.
Mga
no?
RPG.
Oh, I tried the gossip.
Island. Gossip
I tried
Island.
that.
yung you're going to choose your own
nakahigpit ako
adventure.
doon.
Yung may magnanay.
Yung merge. Yung mga merge.
merge.
Grabe. Ko doon, wala akong patience doon. Pero just, I can do that the whole day. Na feeling ko, nasira yung mata ko. As in talagang, kaya kong humiga buong araw at tatayo lang ako para kumain.
To be fair, Monica is also a voracious reader.
Yes naman.
Let's go.
So I will exchange, but lately, I haven't been reading.
You're reading the dialogue din. There are no criminals in
There's
row
no
G.
criminals.
Pero si Carl is also a player, pero streamer ka nung games mo, di ba?
I used to
Hindi ko
stream
kaya
a
yan.
lot.
Mga game na ganyan.
Anong
Hindi ko
game
kaya
yun?
yan.
Iba-iba eh.
Candy Crush.
Naglalaro
Clash of
ako,
Clans.
Neko
Alam ko
Golf.
ano yun.
Hindi yung horse.
Oh, yeah, I play a lot of, ang hobby ko
LOL.
naman, aside from doing music and a lot of other things, I also game a lot. I play a lot of anime games. Like, favorite kong genre ay anything that's cute and anime.
Like cute.
Pusa-pusa.
Oo. So yung mga horse girls ko before, it's a game called Umamusume, where they mixed like the idol culture of Japan, idol culture, anime, and then horse racing. So, so pinapatakbo mo yung mga anime girls mo sa isang racetrack kasi para silang mga kabayo. Tapos out of the racetrack, kailangan mo i-develop yung skills nila sa school because nag-aaral pa sila.
Balance it.
O, kailangan balance.
Holistic growth.
The feminist in me.
Right, guys. It's crazy.
You have to see it.
It's crazy.
I joined his stream one time.
Oo. Pero kasi, Bea, idol culture, only girls are just running and stuff. So yun, yung mga games. Pero recently, I've been playing something a lot less cute on the Switch 2. And it's been taking a lot of my time also. Yes. And aside from that, akala ko si Biba lang may props ha. I also solve puzzles.
Yes.
So I love doing the Rubik's Cubes. Iba-iba yung mga ano.
I hate it so much.
Oh.
Wait. May dala.
One-handed.
May dala ako. Wait.
Wow! May dala ako my body.
Oo nga, no? Your body.
Mabari.
So yes.
Ako kapag hindi ko kayo kasama, marami. Kasi pag
Hindi mo kami kasama mga once a month, ganyan.
Oo, ganyan.
parang I find it hard to get bored pag mag-isa ako. Parang ang dami ko lang gustong gawin.
Totoo lang.
So gustong-gusto ko yung company ng sarili ko.
Ako din.
Usually nagpe-paint pero pag tinatamad ako kasi parang either magpe-paint ako ng tuloy-tuloy, gusto ko tapos na, or hindi na lang ako magpe-paint. So, madalas nagbabasa ako ng libro or nanonood or nagbabasa rin ng mga murder mysteries. Gusto ko ng mga detective stuff. And-
Meron ako. Ang dami kong gusto.
Yes.
Mamaya share
meron
tayo.
akong parang murder puzzle book na whodunit. Sino yung pumatay, ganyan. Ayun, gusto ko Kasi nung bata ako, mahilig ako mag-investigate sa mga palipalikid. So, parang yung nagnanakaw, may Indian mango tree kami sa garden. Tapos may kapitbahay kami nagnanakaw, susulatan ko ng letter. Tapos gagawin kong, ipo-fold ko to airplane. Para pagbukas niya ng letter, nakalagay doon na parang hindi maganda yung ginagawa niya, gano'n. Tapos sa dulo, parang, if you need help, call me.
Oh my God! Pero ginudge niya muna.
Pero nag-offer ng friendship.
How about you? You only mentioned that you did manga as a child, but
Okay.
now...
So, as an ADHD, I want to do everything all at once.
Yes.
And because ADHD, I want to be able to perfect it now na.
Yeah.
Right? And if it doesn't come easy to me,
The best.
right? I'll get bored right away. If it's not challenging enough, I'll get bored. So if I'm to whittle down the hobbies that I did not monetize, aka theater, kasi there was a facility of everything that was pretty easy, except maybe the dancing and the singing. I mean, I still enjoy that. Anyway, sorry. Parang kung ano yung talagang nag-stick sa akin na kahit mahirap siya, gusto ko siyang gawin.
Yeah.
Baking.
Oh.
And
I never knew
growing.
this.
Ito may dala din siya.
Yeah. May dala din siya.
Ensaymada.
like chocolate chip cookies, orange cake, chocolate cake, carrot cake.
I want an orange cake.
I'll make an orange. But it's just that when the pandemic, because I learned to bake in the US.
Yeah.
And my classmates, kasi ang dami palang, yun palang lamang ng first world country sa atin.
Lahat sila may oven.
May oras.
Yeah.
Walang
traffic.
traffic. Anyway, tayo kasi ubusan ng oras dito.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah, yeah,
kailangan extra kayod para, living lifestyle mo. Anyway, so parang ang dami kong oras, babaliw na ako. Tinuruan ako mag-bake. So, this is fun. Tapos, and then growing plants.
Oh, yeah, I know this.
Diba? It's so difficult. It needs so much research. I'm so bad at that.
And nurturing.
And patience. So parang, okay. And last na, languages. I love learning language. I'm not good at it.
Parlez-vous français?
Oui.
Salamat na to.
Parce que je me... Oh my God, see, it's gone because mom brain, thank you.
Je m'appelle Carl.
Enchanté.
You don't say je m'appelle because that's so formal.
Ano pa?
So, when we went to
Go.
Paris, sabi, kasi talaga ang extensive ng pag-aaral ko ng French kasi nga, titira ako na 5 buwan, di ba?
Oo.
For an exchange program, kuno-kuno. So, pagdating ko doon, nakilala ko yung mga improvisers.
oui, oui.
Si Vincent.
Si Vincent.
Sabi niya sa akin, do you speak French? And I was gonna say, oui, un peu. Prinactice ko yun.
Oo, naman.
Sabi niya, do you speak French? And sabi ko, no, you do not speak French. Kasi nga,
Sasabihin mo pala.
my memory might be wrong, but someone had said that to me there. Na parang, because I didn't respond right away in French in this manner, like,
Right.
I don't speak. Unless you speak it fluently, you don't speak French.
It's so different naman for some people. For tourists, when you go, bonjour, and they say, oh, your French is very good. I'm like, I just said-
Talaga.
That's all.
Oo, yun na.
Talaga.
Oh, they judge tourists differently.
Hi, my name is RJ Ledesma. I wear many hats. I wish I had just as many heads. I'm a serial entrepreneur and I'm also an entrepreneur mentor. I'd like to invite all of you to please listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast. On my podcast, I listen to inspiring business leaders and entrepreneurs to learn more about how they think about doing business, what are their success secrets, and how we can replicate them, and more importantly, what business opportunities do they see emerging in the near future for us entrepreneurs. Listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast.
You know, speaking of learning, siguro baka hobby ko na rin dahil na find out ko as an adult with adult money, ang hilig-hilig ko mag-take ng workshop. And it doesn't matter what this workshop is, I would take it. And then, sometimes I would make money off of it, but a lot of the times I also don't. So when I found myself pretty much jobless during the pandemic, dahil nasa construction kami. So, tapos improv nga. So, wala namang live theater. Siyempre, first to Chugi, ganyan. Tapos walang construction during those days. Parang, I would I would keep myself busy with this consultancy group with whom I used to work. Tapos, para ma-engage rin nila yung consultants nila who do learning and development sessions for clients, we would run the applied improv programs for them before. So matagal na to. Kasi ginagawa na namin yun on our own. FYI. Anyway, dati pa to. So in order to engage their consultants, kasi nga everybody is at home, and a lot of them live by themselves. So parang kumbaga yun na rin yung community service nila to us. And marami silang mga workshop na they used to run for clients and they do it to us for free. So ano to mga workshop na to? A lot of culture building, so a lot of self-discovery. So there's like, you do things like ikigai, find your ikigai, ganyan, or what is your purpose, or strength. What are your strengths, ganyan. And actually, doon ang galing yun kung bakit ako nagpa-gallop strengths and etc. So, and that is a workshop as well. So, that's a workshop.
Yung, di pa ako nakakapag-strength.
Binura ko na yung, ano mo, bahala ka. Binura ko na yung libre ko sa'yo. O, ulitin ko pala ulit. Siguro binigay ko na sa ibang tao. Anyway, so yung ano nun, so parang, I would like go into, parang cute yung workshop na yan. Tapos if it's, usually pag online kasi, ayoko maligo. So, I will go to, bilang mo nasa computer ako, tapos nag-lesson na ako. So, may certificate na ako, pwede ako sumingil, etc. Pero, hindi ako naligo.
I love it.
Our
ROI.
hobbies say something about us. Sorry,
I don't know.
do you think our hobbies say something about us?
Yes.
Oo naman.
Oo naman.
Oo, you're a nerd. Parang ganun. Yan, no,
Pala, no?
oo,
Hindi
you're
mo
a nerd.
alam. Oo.
Add ko pala kay Monica. Hobby ko rin mag-take ng classes, workshop, anything. Kasi gusto ko na, I love taking classes. I love going to classes.
Sabi ni Angelica minsan, nag-workshop si Missy for us, for improv. And then sabi ni Angelica ganito, I love going to school.
Oh my God. May kwento ko about Angelica and her love taking classes. Her love of taking classes. Kasi nagpunta kami ng Canada. Kami dalawa ni Angelica. Para we
Improv
represented Spit Manila
Festival.
and the Improv Festival in Vancouver. So dala kami pumunta. Ako yung magtuturo kasi may 2 workshops akong ituturo nung time na yun. O isa lang ba o dalawa?
Isa.
Isang workshop
Ako yung
yung tuturo.
assistant.
Oo. Sabi ni Angelica, sige, pupunta ako doon para ako yung maging teaching assistant mo. I'm like, okay, sige. So, dalawa tayong magtuturo. So, so yung workshop ko the day before. Tapos nag-breakfast kami together. Sabi ko yung mga gagawin namin. Fast forward, doon na kami sa workshop mismo. There are around like 19 participants, 20 participants. Start na ako. Okay, ganito yung gagawin. Mga 15 minutes later, wala si Angelica sa tabi ko. Nasa klase na siya. Nag-perform with the other people. I'm like, okay.
Alam ko si odd sila. So,
Sure.
Kasi 19. So, 20.
Correct.
20 ka.
20.
By pair.
Naka-by pairs. Sila, gulat ako. Para sabi ko pa specifically, everybody arrange yourself by pairs. We're gonna have one group that has 3 because we're an odd number. Boom, Angelica's there.
Wow.
Pair na
Wala ng
sila.
3.
as in, pag may magtuturo, parang yes! Parang
Oo.
lagi akong ganun.
She loves taking classes.
Yes, I know. Bata ako, nag-take ako ng badminton, swimming, archery, tennis, painting, singing, dancing, creative musical theater. Marami pa, nakalimutan ko.
Sakit siguro ng ulo ng parents mo.
I have a question.
Go.
Now that we're adults with our own adult money.
Yes.
Syempre, granted, we have considerations and limitations because
Yeah,
we're
of
taking care
course.
of other people and other things. What is a hobby that you would love to do, but you don't, because nga, you're going to put those resources that goes into your hobby to, your priorities. Kasi itong mga ginagawa natin ngayon na hobbies, feeling
Ito
ko,
yung kaya natin.
Oo, kaya natin. Kasi nga, as an adult, with adult money, yung adult money na yun, napupunta pa rin sa adult responsibilities.
Oo, tama. Parang luho na lang ito eh.
Oo.
The first thing that comes to mind na matagal ko na siyang gustong gawin pero
Hindi mo ginagawa.
hindi ko ginagawa dahil it is a very expensive hobby is pen collection.
Yan na rin.
It is a very expensive hobby. I'm like in like 4 different Philippine or international fountain pen groups. I'm just like, wow.
Tapos kailangan mo pa ng space
Kailangan mo
para
ng
i-ink
space.
sila.
Kailangan mo ng magandang temperature para hindi masira yung ink. And sobrang mahal niya. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin siya. Parang I don't think I'm gonna do it anytime soon because it's so expensive. Pero that's one thing that the first thing that comes into mind is pen collection.
Watches.
Mas mahal.
Watches. Pero hindi kaya ng adult money ko.
At saka
Hindi talaga.
parang if titignan mo, makakatulong ba to sa akin? Makakatulong ba to sa society?
Hindi talaga. Kasi kahit hindi ko alam kung sino, baka ma-misquote ko, hindi ko alam kung si Lucio Tan o si Henry C. ang nagsabi. May suot siyang, kung sino man tong tycoon na to, may suot siyang cheap na watch. Tapos pinintasan, bakit ganyan lang yung watch mo? Tapos sabi niya, my cheap watch does the same thing as your expensive watch. Why would I spend for more? So I guess doon ang gagaling na talagang luho siya. So, yun nga, kung wala talagang limit, yun talaga. Yun ang magiging luho ko. Obviously, hindi dahil itong watch ko ay 900 pesos lang. So, hindi yun. Obviously, hindi yun yung luho ko. Or hobby.
Hulaan ko yun kay Angelica.
Sige.
Mag-workshop.
Hindi ginagawa ko na yun eh.
Oh, speaking of luho hobby, na, I wish, oh my gosh.
Go.
Go.
And this has been my dream since I was a child.
Yeah.
Horseback riding, equestrian. Oh my gosh. Or taking care of horses.
Yeah.
Anything horses.
Right.
Ano yung kay Carl?
Oh, horse girls.
Oo. Kaya pala.
Eh, yung pagka-feminista ko nga.
Ako
Ako cute din yun kasi horses and anime.
Sa akin, hindi
And
ko
sexy girls.
sure. I'm
Gawin mo
just,
lalaki.
because I've never tried it, but I don't know. Parang whenever I come across it, and which is very rarely, I'm really so curious about sailing. Kasi parang, di ba, parang, ay, ang gali. Oo, parang, ay, ang ano. And
Hindi
even,
kita ma-imagine.
Oo,
Totoo
sabi
ba?
ko, I'm like, oh wow, look at that vastness
Na-imagine
of
ko
the
siya.
nothingness of the-
Chester!
Chester!
Handle the mast na!
Ayoko na dito, mainit.
So si Chester pala yung nagsisailing.
Oo, siya pala, di ba? Alam niyo, ewan ko kung bakit.
Nandun ka sa games.
Baka gusto ko lang pala mag-games na hindi na-istorbo.
Not feeling ko that's your Sagittarius. Na meron kang wanderlust, freedom, open. Anyway, continue sailing.
I've never tried it, but it's something that really gets me curious. I don't know if will I ever be into it. Of course, it's expensive also. And grabe that time commitment kasi each sail is like what? Diba?
You have to buy a boat.
Yun pa, wala akong parking.
Oo. You have to buy a boat and the parking ocean.
Oy, kayo, hindi pa kayo
For me, masyado ako invested sa tanong na to. Kasi parang with adult money nga, na wala naman akong, may family is my main family. Yung wala naman akong,
Buti naman.
oo, buti naman yun.
Wala siyang
Wala naman
fur
akong,
children.
children, ganyan-ganyan.
Baka sa 15 minutes pag-uusap.
Sige. Ang pumasok sa isip ko is tennis. Pero,
Hindi naman luho
oo
yan
nga,
eh.
hindi nga siya luho. So parang ako, mahal ang tennis mas mahal pa siya sa dance classes and everything for coach,
So may
support.
gamit ka
oo.
pa.
Pero, anyway, after na lang to, ang sa naisip ko is, yung kumpletuhin yung buong mundo.
A travel.
Travel.
With our
Oo,
passports.
all countries. Like,
Punta
di ba may
tayo
mga
sa
ganun talaga?
travel
In
tayo.
81 days, ganyan, 90 days. Yung parang, isa-ising ko yan. Pupunta ako sa lahat ng museum nyo. Aralain ko yung mga cuisine nyo, culture. Parang, kailan kaya yun? Bukas agad.
Hindi, mag-iba ka ng citizenship para lumakas yung passport.
Kasi ang passport natin is only number 74 powerful.
How about cruise? Spit cruise, tapos around the world.
Parang ano na yun eh. Mas gusto ni Monica yun dahil nandun ka lang sakit. Parang 80% of the time.
Immerse
nasa
natin lahat.
tubig ka lang.
Immerse natin lahat. So, si sail, tas horseback tayo.
may
sa
horse
isang-
dun sa-
another city.
So sailing across different continents and countries, paglapag natin, mag-horseback riding.
Correct.
Pupunta tayo sa watch and pen museum.
Yes, correct. Tapos kukuha sila ng isang watch and pen na.
Bakit isa lang?
Eh, syempre, kasi nga adult money mo.
Tsaka all around the world yun.
Oo,
Wala.
per
Wala.
Baka lumubog yung
visit.
barko natin sa bigat ng gusto nyo.
Totoo, kabayo pa lang eh.
Oo nga, ilang kabayo yun.
Sasakyan ko lang.
yung akin nahirapan ako sagutin kasi kapag pinarsu ko yung isang kasi pag namimili ako ng hobby, gusto ko may purpose siya sa life ko. So, kunyari nung nag-tennis, swimming, ganyan-ganyan, tinake up ko yun kasi parang yun yung sa physical health area. And then, meron ako sa arts, meron ako sa intellectual, chu. So, parang may mga buckets ako na finifill up for my hobbies. So, nahirapan ako kasi kunyari, minsan inisip ko i-pursue yung archery ulit. Kasi nag-stop ako doon dahil may limit yung vision ko before. Kasi hindi na siya pwedeng ilayo.
Okay, akala ko vision.
Pero yung vision kasi sa future. Pero since okay na yung vision ko ngayon, pwede ko i-try ulit. Pero I don't know. And then, ano yung sasabihin ko isa? Gusto ko rin yon yung mag-travel sa iba't ibang bansa. Pero gusto ko pag ginawa ko yun, para akong documentary.
That's cute.
Oo. Tapos gusto ko talagang matutunan. Yan na naman. Gusto kong matutunan yung bawat, gusto kong mag-interview, gusto kong i-share sa mga tao. Yung mga ganon.
So, meron kang production team.
Oo.
Eyewitness.
May immersion.
Uy, pinagkakakitaan.
Actually,
Investigador.
Feeling ko kaya, in
Meron
2 years yun, kaya yun.
Meron akong thought.
Oo.
Feeling ko ma-enjoy ninyo, Cara, Monica, and Angelica, yung parang Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego.
Pero gagawin nyo in real life.
I love it.
accepting sponsorship.
Kung sino yung mga kakilala nyo na pwedeng tulungan kami dyan sa aming endeavor.
Tag nyo na.
Correct.
Like, tag nyo na,
Yes,
tag nyo na.
Philippine
Horse lessons
Airlines.
for free, please.
DFA.
Horseback riding.
Yacht.
Cruise.
Let's do it.
Cruise and
Kahit sinong airline na
Scoot.
where in the world is Pete.
mga
Where in the world
tennis
is-
gear.
Ganda.
Tennis gear, yes.
Tennis gear.
Wilson.
Pens. Wilson, let's go.
Sports watches.
Let's
and
do it.
sports pens.
Sports pens.
Sports pens. Huh.
Ako Swatch. Please Swatch. Sponsor.
Watch and pen.
Watch and
Watch
pens.
and
Swatch and learn.
So let's move on to like
Yes.
more physical hobbies naman. So Angelica, since
I'm
nandun
going
naman
to
si,
sip.
Physical more physical. Si Cara is dancing. Angelica has a ton of physical hobbies as she mentioned a while ago.
Konti lang yun.
Parang 4 na nga yun. Mas marami yun sa mga sa mga
Tennis and
bata.
archery lang.
Tennis,
Ginagawa ko
archery, swimming.
Yung swimming for survival. May isa pa akong hindi na-check
Tama.
sa survival. Yung bike, kasi hindi ako marunong mag-bike.
Kayang-kaya.
Madali
Akala
lang
ko,
yan.
akala ko yung gagawa ng apoy. Survival. Ganun.
What are your physical hobbies?
Well, I regularly go to the gym.
Yeah.
Of course, right now I'm on hiatus. Oh, I regularly go to the gym, but right now I'm on hiatus. I hope to get back as soon as possible. And mostly because it's for mental health.
Yeah.
Right? Because
Yeah.
it balances hormones, it spikes the endorphins, ganyan. But what I wish I could still do, which I haven't done in 10 years, is football, soccer. Na-enjoy ko din yung dance natin. Kahit di ako magaling. Lumalabas yung, and not ever do I compete with anyone else but myself.
Of course.
Lumalabas yung pagka-competitive ko na, I have to get this dance step. I have to
Missy, you're good at it.
Stop.
See, I get replies sa stories ko pag yung sa dance natin. Missy has moves.
Okay, to be honest, when I'm watching it lacks the Cara flow.
Style niya yun.
I mean,
Yeah.
Dapat may Missy flow.
It's oozing with
flow.
the
Missy
Flow.
flow.
Messy flow.
Wait, sobrang mabilis lang to. Yun yung sinabi ng coach ko sa akin. Alam mo, hindi confidence pero you have to own it. So feeling ko, yun yung sinasabi niya. Na
you
your
have to own
own.
You know what I own in na type na dance?
What?
Ballroom.
Really?
I love ballroom. And Hawaiian.
Oh, I love
That's it.
What if maganda tayo recital?
Parang lahat,
Dapat naka-Hawaiian skirt tsaka bikini.
parang lahat tayo nag-Hawaiian dance nung kabataan.
Oo nga. Ikaw?
Oo naman.
Hindi ako nag-grass skirt. Hindi.
Ako rin. Ay,
Wala.
parang wala
hindi ko
tuloy.
maalala.
Nagbalay pala kami.
Ay,
Ikaw lang, hindi ako.
Ako lang.
Parang ano lang ako nila.
Piano lang ako, piano.
How about martial arts? Anong martial arts ang ginawa ninyo?
Yun pala siguro yung sagot ko dun sa kanina. Gusto ko, well, nag-try
As physical.
What martial arts did you learn?
Yung 2022 kami ni Kara.
Wait, hindi
As in,
pa pandemic
kami-
noon.
ay,
2019.
2019. Hindi naman kami ganun ka-close.
Hindi, wala. Magkakilala lang tayo.
Pero nag-Krav Maga kami.
What's that?
Tapos
So,
yung
self-defense.
Israeli. Tapos
Uy, try niyo yung
tawa
sa
ako.
brother namin.
Pagod na
Gusto ko,
kami.
oo.
Tapos hindi na namin inulit.
Ulit na nung pagod na kami.
Try niyo yung sa brother namin.
Uy,
So, our
ganyan.
brother does, weaponized knife boxing. So, sa kanya yon, it's his own material. So, weaponized knife boxing Philippines. Shout out kay Kuya Dax.
Dentista ko rin yan.
Oo, dentista rin namin lahat. Shout out.
And he also does, siya rin yung wicked shirts na ginagamit namin.
Yes.
But he also does self-defense, di ba? Na for
Yes,
women. ganyan.
so he also does FMA. Although kasi maraming nagpa-practice and nagtuturo din ng FMA. So FMA is Filipino Martial Arts.
Kala ko fixed martial arts.
Fixed martial arts.
Alam mo kung sino mananalo.
Oo. So marami naman gumagawa nun. So meron siyang sariling material. And then weaponized knife boxing is one of them.
I love it.
I really don't like contact sports in that way. Like, I mean, I love watching it. Not love. Parang pag pupunta ako dun sa
Na-entertain
box,
ka.
parang na-invest ako. Lalo na kunyari Pilipinas versus some other country. Yeah! But I personally don't want to do it. The only martial arts that I actually ever learned na I wish I could pursue is kendo. What?
Kendo.
Si Irvin gusto yun, Kendo.
It's very ballroom. I love it.
Actually, may
Ballroom, competitive ballroom.
Nako,
Ay, di ba
competitive
nga nag-ballroom
dancing.
tayo, Carl?
Oo, nag-ballroom
Ang
kami
ganda.
ni Mrs.
Oo nga,
Ay,
sa
oo.
Soler.
Pero waltz siya, tango.
Oo.
Oo, kaiba.
Kasi yung tugtog ng beat pang waltz, tapos si Missy nagtango. I'm like, okay, we're gonna make something. Wango.
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 Galyaga.
Salts.
Naisip ko lang pala kasi I started tennis recently. I just started learning last year.
Ako rin, same last year.
Last year ka lang ba? Kala ko varsity ka. Sino yung
Hindi.
varsity? Ikaw?
Hindi ako varsity. Tennis club lang.
Tapos hindi na naglalaro si
Oo nga.
si Cara, si Angelica kasama namin. Pero and then I started learning also
Pickleball.
pickleball.
Ala, shout out to Monica sponsor.
Oo nga eh. Maraming salamat po sa Selkirk for helping me pursue my athletic dreams.
Oo. If may mas matagal na nagpipickleball kay Monica, ako po yun.
Oo. Pero ako yung may product.
Oo. Siya yung may product.
Ay, dahil ka na baga na stickers.
Ay, may sticker ka
binigyan
pa.
ko siya ng bag.
But yes, tennis and pickleball din ako. Just like Monica.
Ang hirap ng racket sports. I could not, yung may extension, yung nga si kendo.
So much fun though.
It's fun, but it's so hard.
Yes, it's so hard.
Kaya yata hindi ko tinuloy yung kendo.
Parang mental sports
Oo,
din siya in a
talagang-
way.
tsaka
Parang actually
precision.
kahit tennis.
Golf, I could not for the life of me.
Iba, may requires a
Naalala
different
ko
kind of focus.
Bakit ako nag-self-defense and something, archery and stuff. Kasi nga, feeling ko, nung bata ako, gusto ko maging detective, spy, agent.
I love
eh.
it. Oo. Yung secret weapon mo.
Impossible pala
i-combine
mga
natin lahat ng...
Totally spies.
Ano itsura pag kinumbine natin?
I-combine natin yung hobbies ni Angelica. Meron siyang, gusto niyang matuto ng language, gusto niya mag-self-defense, marunong siya mag-archery, at gusto niya mag-travel.
At gusto
pag
mag-defend.
mag-cruise.
Detective.
Okay.
And therefore,
detective.
anong ginawa niya sa buhay niya? Data analyst.
Data analyst pa siya.
Which is so precise on the one end, and then you have improv on the other end.
Yes.
So,
For the balance.
So, para na siyang cruise ship, murder mystery.
Na may,
Gawin na.
na may kabayo.
And self-defense.
And self-defense.
Okay.
And
Ano, ding dong.
during break, may tennis.
And
Okay.
during break, may
And
tennis.
ballroom dancing.
Wango.
Wango.
So, okay, ang calling out to all our possible sponsors, please do.
Tag nyo na po sila.
Ang dami yun ng ideas, guys.
Ang dami nyo ideas.
Speed
guys.
cruise. Wow. Habang naka-maternity leave.
Habang naka-maternity.
Tumatanggap din po kami ng dance studio partnership.
Tumatanggap.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Studio.
Yes. So,
Tumatanggap din po kami ng dance studios. mismo.
Ayan.
May dance oo, 'di ba? Tennis court, rental, tennis equipment,
Shoes.
coach,
Yes.
shoes.
With roof.
Pakitag na rin po sila.
Correct. Yes.
Watches.
Watch. And with that, kung meron tayong gustong ipamessage sa ating mga viewers, why is it important to do things like this? Things you don't
Hobbies,
need to do.
Yeah.
Why is it important?
Para sa akin, yun nga yung nasabi ko kanina, I feel like the term hobby like minimizes the gravitas of the things that you do. Kasi nga, na-realize ko after this conversation na if money was no object, if survival was no object, dun tayo sa mga hobbies natin pupunta. So I feel like the things we want to do just basically broadens your human experience. So it builds you up kung ano man yung gusto mo ma-experience. So don't take your hobbies for granted. I feel like. No?
That's also my answer.
Ay, ang ganda na. Very, very beautiful answer.
Ako, kasabi natin kanina, our hobbies parang say a lot about us, our personalities. So, parang I think mas nakikilala natin yung sarili natin through our hobbies rather than our day jobs or our actual works. And parang just keep at it. Hindi kailangan mahal yung hobby mo. If you're a creative person, you can use different types of tools to create something. If you're an athletic person, you don't have to gumastos ng sobrang mamahalin na mga equipment to start or to practice your skill, but keep doing those kasi eventually you don't know, and life is unpredictable. Baka yun yung maging work mo eventually, just like what happened to improv with us.
Akala ko ba yung spy agent Angelica?
Ano yun?
Hindi nyo alam.
Hindi pwedeng malaman eh.
Oo. Or actress sa umaga.
International super spy sa gabi.
Pero alam mo,
Actually, habang nagsispit tayo, habang nagsishow,
Yeah.
sinisipat na niya yung buhok.
Oo pala.
Gumaganon siya.
di ba Carlo, isang araw nandun ka sa...
Guys, doon ako sa balcony ng Soler.
Ikaw ba? Why is it important?
It's your hobby is a gift to yourself. You can gift. You can give gifts to yourself. Ano yun? Ano mo yan? Karapatan mo yun. And I think a hobby is one of the most accessible things that you can give to yourself. So, actually, simple lang. Wala na akong, hanggang doon na lang yung sagot ko.
That's my answer.
That's a good answer.
Ako para hindi kayo ma-Alzheimer's.
Keep-
Right?
keep-
Oh, but that's the long term. Like that's you have to keep regenerating your neuro pathways, but also you have to manage your stress, right, in manners that are not destructive to you or to others. You want to build your like what Carl said, it's a way for you to build yourself. But ako talaga, the practical side of it is, on the other hand, you have the connecting to humanity, building those connections, but also, guys, girls, everyone in between that spectrum, it's to prepare yourselves for what life can throw your way.
Right.
Like if I was not like self-caring in my sports or in my, diba? I don't, or in my mental health practice na hobby lang siya. I don't think I would have been able to meet this big challenge I recently dealt with this kind of disposition.
Thank you.
For me, your hobbies teach you really the kind of person you are and who you can become. Parang, even if, for example, I think the importance of just trying and exploring. Minsan kasi, lalo at this age, we box ourselves into different identities na, ito na ako, hindi naman ako marunong dyan eh, but when you try and you pick up a new hobby, for example, like si dancing, I never thought I'd be dancing, but then parang, while you're learning or you're getting into your hobbies in a deeper level, parang you're also practicing the way you talk to yourself na how you are as a beginner. Na parang kalmahan mo lang kasi beginner ka. You have to give space to yourself. And eventually, you have to let go of the pressure of the hobby. Na it's, that's why I'm doing this because I wanna have fun. Pero, bonus na yung makilala mo yung sarili mo na ganito pala ako. And then eventually, makita mo yung hobby mo na yun as becoming ang deep. Teka lang, di ko kaya to.
Kaya mo yan,
Charot.
kaya mo yan.
Parang, yun lang. Just never be afraid to become a beginner.
Ganda.
Always. Strive to be a beginner, always.
Yeah.
May dagdag ako dyan, sorry, Mon, before
go.
you wrap it up.
Hindi, may answer na siya kanina. Dalawa na yung sagot niya.
So it builds ourselves, right? And it also builds community.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, I was actually also going to say that having a hobby, of course, it's a privilege, and it allows you to learn a different part of yourself and learn also more about the world in a non-pressured, non-threatening way. So just something that you can enjoy. It can be really something really simple. Doesn't have to be complex. It can be maybe, siguro put it simply, it's one of the things that you can control. Dahil hindi ka nga obligado to do it. And that's why it's important because sa daming bagay na hindi natin kaya i-control, parang ito na lang, akin to.
Ganda.
That's your answer.
Love it. Yes. Thank you so much. That's such a good
That's
answer.
your answer.
It's my
Top
answer
answer.
also.
That's my answer
your
too.
answer.
That's my answer.
On the comments below,
Tell us your
rate our
hobbies.
answers.
Ray-
Rate our answers.
Competitive. Ako excited ako makita yung sasabihin nila sa definition of hobbies.
Oo, ako
At kung anong hobby
Anong
nila.
hobby?
At dagdag ako, sorry, kung saan natin ma-explore yung hobby na yon.
Yeah.
And maybe something like a hobby that they want us to try.
Oh, so tag. At itag
yes,
ninyo
yes.
kung sino ang pwedeng mag-make yun possible for us.
Yes.
Yes.
Boogs.
Or lagyan nyo sa comment, for example, Kara, I want you to try this.
Or and
Bones
even
bit,
for
I
those
want
who
to.
aren't in this particular episode, feel free to assign for them
Yes.
as well.
Baka i-try namin. Baka lang.
Baka lang.
At hindi lang
ako-
trend sa hindi lang trend sa TikTok, pero talagang hobby.
Ako, kung sino man mag-comment, may pili ako ng isa, ito try ko talaga.
Wow!
Promise yan.
At yan ang challenge
Dapat kami
para...
yung pumili.
Hindi, ako mapili. Paano kung mahal kayo mababayad?
Also, keep, also remember to keep your comments coming and we'd love to see you in another episode. So this has been Tawalets with Spin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you again.
At bago tayo mag-end, mag-rap si Kara about her hobbies.
Thank you.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.